Welcome back, guys. This is a bit of a breakdown of the car. The season's finished. As you can see from the start of this video, we killed the rest of the tyres, and so we got some new tyres for next year. We're going to go to a 10.5 inch tyre next year. These are 12s, so we're going to experiment with them. So we're going to go for a narrower tyre and more power. Makes perfect sense. So yeah, the upgrades over winter are basically going to put higher compression pistons in, ASD race engines, and we're going to be doubling up classes. If no one knows, this is Rich, who helps me on the start line and in general, being a pain in the ass. I'm normally the pain in the ass, he's just in general.
I'm the babysitter.
You're the babysitter.
Yeah.
But no, Rich always looks after me. We've been great mates for years. So we've kept the combination of can-do and team can-do and him and the family. We've kept that routine going, basically.
But yeah, so my old man, my dad, used to crew for Brian for the original car.
That's right, yeah.
So
It was towards the late days of the original Corolla, so sort of, I think it was 87 to 89, something like that, he did. And then my dad went into a Mitsubishi Sapporo then, which he used in Supergas, and your dad used to help him with that. So yeah, we kept that theme going, and we've been great mates for too many years. God knows, too many stories.
Forever.
Yeah. So yeah, we're going to strip the car apart. You're going to see a bit of a breakdown of what's going on. We're going to rip the front end off. We're going to take the gearbox out because this has got an adapter in from a small block Ford to a Chevy Powerglide. The gearbox has to come out first. So prop shaft off, gearbox out, drain the fluids, engine diaper off, and then we'll just take everything carefully. We've got a little table, we'll get rigged up, and the good thing about this car, because I built it, I made it so it's really easy to come apart. And
panels, everything.
Go from there. Now, I'm the only person who's really worked on this car is really me. So Rich is kind of here, he wants to learn a bit more about it. So it's fairly simple, he'll get the gist of it, but he'll know a lot more about where positioning of everything is. Just in case we have these little faults, you never know. They do pop up time to time. We've had them this year, didn't we?
Not many, she's reliable, that's what you know.
But we had the fuel pump issue.
Yeah, the fuel pump, the MSD.
And then the MSD failed, which was annoying because it was only like a year old. So we put a second-hand one in.
Something you wouldn't think would go down either.
Yeah, it's an expensive unit for us to break. Luckily, we found a second-hand one that was usable, and we got that on, and that's working fine.
Done cheaply by me.
Yeah. So no, we're all doing good. So we're going to strip this apart now. So follow the program. my shopping bag, love. Right, we've got a bit more off now. Prop shafts off, headers are off, diapers off. So we've got to get the torque converter loosened up, and then we can start undoing the gear shifter, which is sat over there now, and pull the box out and take all the shields off. Not like I had it in the first place.
I like to get the feel for the bolt.
Been a while, has it, lad?
I'd like to feel the nuts.
Oh, I need a spanner now. Spanner!
Oh, we don't need that one then.
Oh, has it gone? Doing a Brexit.
Oh no! Sorry to come at the last second. Where did you put the nuts? Jeez, nuts! Come on, no!
Right, well, I've got one completely out from here.
Yeah, I'm getting there.
Just,
Is yours the bottom one? Oh, no,
Yeah.
No, mine's the bottom one's coming out.
oh, is it? Doesn't matter.
I remember it being this.
So we need,
Oh, you're folding it up on the last bit, please. Oh, yeah, that fucking last, literally, the last couple of fucking threads.
where's the handle for this?
Oh, on the bench.
Oh. Take a bit of weight off here.
Back! I need to take a bit more than I did on it.
Oh, that's lifting up the car.
Raise me up! Oh, that might do it.
Alright, I think if the nut, you're it should come forward. Or not. Oh, he hasn't. No, he hasn't moved.
I think you've got too much tension on it.
Right, just keep an eye on everything. It's on the dowels at the back.
Yeah. The fucking phone's on the roof.
Right, get that chain in.
Whoa!
What was that?
The fucking straps come off.
Yeah. Sorry, it ain't broken. Okay. But he can't go anywhere.
No, you can't, because the fucking it's still on the front engine now.
Yeah, come down now. Release him. Yeah, now
Let's get these bolts out now.
Yeah. This one's wedged on now. No, it's still wedged. Put it on that. That's right, yeah, I've got spares.
I was putting in that box over there.
Yeah, well, we'll probably put them back in the car or something.
Yeah, well, I've put them all in that box just so they weren't just lying about, you know what I mean?
Oh, he's got to come further forward because of the flywheel.
Okay, right then, so I'm gonna bring the jack forward a minute.
That's it.
Okay?
Yeah. Oh, you see, he's having a wee. He's got to have a last wee, isn't he?
Yeah. putting it? You ain't got an engine fucking stand, have you?
Yeah, just put it on the floor.
You haven't got a tie. There's Darren's ties, he ain't using it.
Whoa, throttle in. Yeah, we've got to come out.
This is axle stand this time. Yeah, we'll put that right in there.
Hold on, it's got to come away. Yeah.
Hey, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, you see it now. Move up to that direction. Oh, hold it.
You got a tie.
No, we'll put them over here because I'll probably back in my van at some point and throw it in there, won't I don't know when I'm taking it to him yet. But...
Are you sure you want to put it there then, just in front of the car, and it's out of the way anyway then, isn't it? You can always jack it back up. You can get
yeah, suppose you can put it down here, yeah. I'll get a block of wood then. Or these.
I prefer it tight.
No, that's right. No, don't get mad with that.
I know, exactly. This is what fucking...
No, just twist it.
Yeah, I know, but I've got more control over that way, haven't I?
Okay. Oh, the Ford gods are speaking to us. Let him all away. Still got loads of fuel in the car. Okay.
Hold on, come on.
It's a bit hard to push on this lot, man.
Yeah. Back over here for a minute.
Yeah, taking more grips off. There we have it. We've made a mess, which is standard issue. And we have the engine out. And the gearbox. So, gearbox is going to John Sleeth to be refreshed. I bought it off him in the first place. And then this is going to ASD engines. And yes, so there's massive progress today. Massive thanks to Richard.
Hello.
And yeah, hopefully we've got a bit of a surprise coming up sometime soon with a bit of a giveaway for next year. Yeah, no, you can't win it. Yeah, no, you can't win it. So we've got to do a bit of work to the chassis. Got to put a passenger seat in, get some harnesses in, and go from there. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll get some more merchandise out for you soon.